Welcome back to AI Run the Show, your one-stop channel for the biggest developments in technology and media. Today's headline centers on Apple's recent decision to suspend an AI-based news alert feature following a complaint from the BBC. The move has put a spotlight on the challenges of automating news summaries and the potential for misinformation when software-generated content goes unchecked. Apple's AI-driven service raised red flags when it falsely reported that Luigi Mangione, accused in a high-profile murder case, had died by suicide. More incidents followed, including an alert claiming that darts player Luke Littler had won the PDC World Darts Final before the event even began, and a false notification stating tennis star Rafael Nadal had come out as gay. Other outlets like the New York Times were also caught in the mix, with an erroneous report of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's arrest. Responding to the BBC's complaint and growing concerns over factual inaccuracies, Apple opted to remove the feature entirely rather than simply patching it. The company announced that notification summaries for the news and entertainment category will be temporarily unavailable, signaling a broader intent to revise and improve the AI technology. Users had initially been offered only an update, but pressure from media organizations prompted a more drastic measure. The BBC welcomed Apple's decision, emphasizing the critical importance of maintaining trust through accurate reporting. Meanwhile, the UK's National Union of Journalists called for a full removal of the service, warning about the dangers of automated content contributing to misinformation and undermining professional journalism. The backlash highlights how even tech giants must tread carefully as they experiment with AI in sensitive areas like news distribution. Beyond the immediate fixes, Apple has indicated its intention to develop a more robust system that can detect and flag potential errors in news summaries before they reach users. This move forms part of Apple's larger Apple Intelligence initiative, which aspires to incorporate AI into various aspects of its ecosystem, from notifications and search to in-app suggestions. However, the company now faces renewed scrutiny over whether its algorithms can meet the high bar of journalistic accuracy. Industry experts point out that while AI can speed up processes and personalize user experiences, it carries the inherent risk of amplifying inaccuracies. For news content specifically, even minor errors can escalate into major misinformation when they come from a trusted tech brand like Apple. Moving forward, rigorous testing, human oversight, and strong partnerships with reputable news outlets will be critical to ensuring that the new system, when reintroduced, aligns with professional journalistic standards. Some consumers, already wary of fake news, view this episode as a cautionary tale about over-reliance on AI. Yet many are also hopeful that Apple's willingness to suspend and thoroughly rework the feature signals a commitment to transparency and accountability. Experts argue that this revision may represent a pivotal test for Apple's broader AI ambitions, which are under constant scrutiny from regulators and users alike. Should the company succeed, it may set a new standard for the responsible deployment of automated content across the industry. That's the latest from AI Run the Show. Apple's pause on AI-generated news alerts underscores the risks of rolling out experimental features without robust oversight. While the company works on a revised version designed to flag inaccuracies, the incident serves as a reminder that technology, even from industry leaders, is only as reliable as its quality control. Stay tuned for more updates as we keep our finger on the pulse of all things tech and media.